Explaining phishing kits with example. Phishing is a type of internet scam in which the cybercriminal sends out spoofed emails or text messages that appear to come from a legitimate source. Today's phishing attacks operate on a landscape fueled by an evolved service-based economy filled with efficient, reliable, and profitable offerings. Attackers who wish to launch a phishing campaign may rent their resource and infrastructure needs from phishing-as-a-service providers, who do the legwork for them. Alternatively, they can make a one-time purchase of a phishing kit that they can plug and play. That's not to say that attackers who build their phishing kits from the ground up are at a disadvantage. If anything, the abundance of phishing kits and other tools available for sale or rent makes it easy for a lone wolf attacker to pick and choose the best features from these kits. They put these functionalities together in a customized kit and try to reap the benefits all to themselves. Cybercriminals use phishing kits loaded with tools and various phishing pages to steal financial credentials from unaware Internet users. These phishers will send out SMS messages, social media messages, phone calls, letters and emails to lure their victims to their phishing pages. So what is a phishing kit? A phishing kit is an easy-to-use phishing setup which contains scripts and instructions that allow cybercriminals to create and host phishing pages. A phishing kit will contain tools and materials that allow cybercriminals to quickly set up phishing pages. Phishing kits are generally split into the following major components based on their function: imitation, obfuscation, and credential harvest. Let's take a closer look. Imitation. These components help make the login pages appear legitimate. These can include imagery to imitate welcome banners, as well as dynamically generated logos and branding that are fetched based on the target's email address. These components may also include legitimate links and help or password reset buttons that navigate cautious users out of the page and onto legitimate sites. Obfuscation. These components hide the page's true purpose from scanners or automated security detection systems. Obfuscation techniques can be through encoding or individual functions designed to make the extraction of resources more difficult. Obfuscation can also include anti-sandboxing resources on the page or on the site that are called to enforce geo-fencing. Credential harvest. These components facilitate the entry, collection, and exfiltration of the credentials the target user provides. These components also include information about where said credentials are sent, how they are stored, and which sites the user is sent to after giving their credentials. Some famous phishing kits: U-Admin, Today Zoo. The first part is a phishing page, also called fakes. U-Admin consists of two main components. Those fakes are the phishing pages that the victim will see. For example, a fake Wells Fargo or Microsoft login page. The fake pages look remarkably similar to the legitimate ones and will be hard to distinguish from real. All the information that a victim fills into the fake is sent to the attacker. The second part is the U-Admin panel. This is only accessible to the attacker, and allows him to see the status of the attack. Furthermore, the panel allows the attacker to perform specific actions targeted at the current visitor on the phishing site. The admin panel can be hosted on a system different from the phishing site. This has the advantage that usually at one point the fake is taken down by the hosting provider. When separated, the admin panel in that case will just stay online. The attacker just installs the fakes on a new system and carry on. Learn more about phishing kits on cyberwarzone.com. Subscribe to the Cyberwarzone channel for more news, tips, tricks and downloads. Please use the comment section for any questions, feedback or video requests.